Okay, welcome back students. Maths is easy. If you read it, study it properly, maths is very easy. So we are in this section. Today we are going to discuss brain teaser of parallel line. The very first question is, line L is parallel to M and M is parallel to N. This is given. P is parallel to Q and Q is parallel to R. This is also given. Also, see angle 1. Angle 1 is given, it is equals to 85, and you need to find X, Y, Z, then S, U and T. So we will discuss one by one each. So when we see about S and L and M, line L is parallel to M and angle 1 and angle S, what type of angle they are? Angle 1 and angle S, they are alternate interior angle. And what we know, alternate interior angles are equal. So angle 1 is equal to angle X because they are alternate interior angle, therefore the value of angle X will be 85 degrees. Next, when we see 1 and Y, also L is parallel to M, and 1 and Y, they are forming pair of co-interior angles. And the pair of co-interior angles, what is the property of parallel line? The pair of co-interior angle is supplementary. So we will write 1 plus Y is equal to 180 degree. Value of 1 is 85 degree. From here we can get Y, which is equal to 95 degree. Now 1 is obtained, X is obtained, Y is obtained. Now X and Z. What type of angle is X and Z? X and Z, they are corresponding angle. And also corresponding angles are equal in parallel line. So the value of Z will become 85 degree. We will write angle X is equal to angle Z because the reason is corresponding angle. Now angle Z will be equal to 85 degree. Alright. Now when we see angle 1 and angle S, P is parallel to R and L is a transversal. 1 and S, they are also corresponding angles, students. And we know that the corresponding angles are also equal. That's why angle 1 will be equal to angle S. So the value of angle S will be 85 degree. Next, what is left? X we have obtained, Y we have obtained, Z, S. Now S and T, when we see L is parallel to N and R is a transversal, S and T, what type of angle they are? They are alternate interior angle. S and T are alternate interior angle. So alternate interior angles are equal in value. So we will write the value of T will be 85 as S is already 85. Now the last value is U, and U we need to obtain. So U and V, when you will see what type of angle they are forming, they are forming linear pairs of angle. And what we know about linear pairs of angle? Sum is supplementary. Using this property, we can find U plus S is 180. U can be obtained if we subtract S from 180. S we already have. What is the value of S? 85 degree. Put the value of 85 degree. You will get the value of U. Okay. Next we will see. Okay. Let's see the next question. What is the next question? Draw a line segment AB of 7.6 centimeter. Without constructing parallel line to AB, parallel lines at A and B, what we have to do? We have to find 3 points PQR such that PQ is equal to QR is equal to AB is equal to PQ is equal to QR is equal to RB. This we need to solve. So how we will do this? This is same as dividing a line segment into 4 equal parts. So how we do? First of all, we will draw a line segment of length 7.6 centimeter and name it AB. This is 7.6 centimeter. Okay. Now what I have told that at point A we have to construct an acute angle, and this acute angle should be similar to an angle at B. Name it P and this as M and N. Now into how many equal parts we have to divide? We have to divide into 4 equal parts. So we will take 4 equal arcs. 1, 2, 3, 4 with the help of compass and without changing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what we have to do? We have to name it A1, A2, A3, A4. This will be B1, B2, B3, B4. This one as B1, B2, B3, B4. Now what we will do? Very important point. Join A to the end point B4 and A4 to point B first of all. After that, join all the successive points. What are the successive points here? A1 to B3, A2 to B2 and A3 to B1. While doing so, you can see that these lines intersect AB at points C1, C2, C3. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. We have got 4 equal parts of line segment AB. So AC1 will be equals to C1, C2 will be equals to C2, C3 will be equals to C3, CB. These are 4 equal parts, and what will be their measurement when we will divide 7 by 7.6 divided by 4? 4 1 time 4, 1.9 centimeter each you will get. Okay, so we will see the next question. Okay, what is the question here in this given figure? Name the edges of adjoining cube which is parallel to. This is a cube and we have to name the edges, means the sides of the cube which is parallel to AB. So AB, this is the line segment AB, and this line segment is parallel to which of the lines? AB will be parallel to EF. AB will be parallel to EF. AB can be parallel to DC. You can write also DC, but we cannot write AB is parallel to DC because AB and EF are in the same plane, but AB and DC, they are also in the same plane. So you can write AB, DC, but AB and GH, they are in two different planes. Okay, so these two are parallel. So AB will be parallel to EF, AB will be parallel to DC. Now EH is parallel to, you can say, FG. It is parallel to FG, and EH is also parallel to AD. They are in the same plane. Okay. Next, AE. AE is parallel to BF, and AE can be parallel to BH also. Okay, up to here. Next, point of intersection of AE and AB. AE, AB, where they are meeting each other, point of intersection is A. So you can get it from the name also. Which point is coming here common in AE and AB? A is coming common. So you can say the point of what is happening actually. The video is of 5 minutes only, so it is getting stopped in between. So we were just about to end this question. Let us complete this one. So we were discussing are the edges AB, DH parallel to each other? And one more question, are the edges EF and BC parallel? For both the questions, answer should be no, because they are not in the same plane. How we will judge they are in the same plane or not? AB is here and DH is here. So you can see AB is one of the edge of the face. ABFE, this is a square, so this will be one plane. So AB will be parallel to EF. You can say this is one plane, but DHGCD, this is another plane. So two lines cannot be parallel, cannot be perpendicular to each other if they are not in the same plane. they should be always in the same plane. So for both the answer 5 and 6 we will say no, they are not parallel to each other because both the lines are not lying in same plane. Okay, so here we end our parallel line. Next I will just upload the videos for introduction to graph. The next chapter we have to study. After introduction to graph we will see probability and statistics. So I will request all the students, watch the video, subscribe it, like it and share it. Thank you.